Welcome to Old Guy Rides. What you're about to see is the unboxing video for this brand new ATV. See, for my 65th birthday, my wife and I decided to get me a brand new ATV. I've never owned ATVs. I've done 50 years of riding motorcycles, but never owned an ATV. So what you're about to see is us getting it at the dealership, them unboxing it and assembling it, putting it on the trailer so I could bring it here. You know, the only difference between me at 65 and all those young riders that are out there, I make this look good. So here we have the crate being moved. There it is inside all that plastic. That's how they send it. The Polaris Sportsman XP Touring 1000. Soon to be assembled. And here we go, unboxing. Under the cloth. Lots of recycling here, I'm sure. Comes in a metal crate with pins, so the crate gets reused over and over again. Obviously the back of the unit. There she is. The Great White. In pearl white, the only color that comes in for this year. There it is. Look at him underneath. Comes into the building. There she is. You'll know there are no unboxing videos for these on YouTube. So you may be famous with this.
Well, this year is a whole lot easier on these because normally, last year what they sent was they had sent these with the bars down and a little plate on here, and then you had to put all of this together up here. But they're getting better every year with basically, we call them roll-offs now, to where you just get it out, service it, and you may have to put the seat together or something like that.
That pearl white is a nice,
It is nice.
nice color.
Sparkles out in the sun too.
The pile's ready for you in parts whenever you finish up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty then.
This here is Ivan, who got us hooked up with the machine. Here at Mountain Motorsports, Marietta. That's good. I want somebody to show me how to take that seat off when it's assembled.
It's just got these two tabs right here, and they slide in this little groove.
Okay.
And then the front two things right here go down right there in those little rubber grommets, and that's what holds the seat on.
Now the whole unit comes out, does it not? With that handle, the whole thing comes out? With
No,
this at
this
all?
does not come out now. The reason I have to take this off is to put the back piece on.
Okay, that releases just that.
Oh, it does?
Oh, yeah, it does, yeah. I kind of saw somebody doing that somewhere.
Yeah.
And it just leaves you an open area here, which, because I know there were people creating things for this area to make like a, when they weren't riding double,
This whole
so they
thing
put a big thing there, yeah.
I thought they made
I'm curious if the standard 1000, if their back end would fit on this with these same screws down here. You know, when you wanted it to be a single, it's a single.
Yeah.
had originally ordered the 850, but then after waiting and reading online, I went with the 1000. Has the bigger wheels, the mag wheels. The engine, of course, is bigger. Has a few other niceties that come with it. Has the mirrors already. But I just decided, even though I wasn't originally a fan of the white, but this actually looks pretty cool. Here I am with the big white Sportsman 1000 Touring XP. It even has a name already. It's going to be the Great White. And it's being assembled right now. And then it'll be loaded on the trailer. Here we go. There it is.
How do you like your little drink cup holders?
Those are cool.
Put your little plastic
Water
bottle
bottle
in there.
Yeah, holds them in place.
And it holds a can in there.
That's cool.
Okay, so there's that. We'll need a 10.
They did have the winch I want in, so I'm gonna.
They did?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on myself. The 1000 comes with mirrors. The 850 does not.
It used to come with one mirror, and then I guess this year it comes with two. Because remember they used to have, there's only one mirror that, yeah. So that's going to be a 12 and a 13.